So we do custom trail ride with guests that want to experience more of a ride than just conventional head-to-tail trail ride. Most companies have these older half-crippled horses and they keep them in a little bit of rough shape where they don't want to do anything more than just walk head to tail. Our horses are typically younger than most dude ranch horses, and they're in great shape, and we have a unique training program to make sure that you're always safe. We allow you to ride at your level of riding. If you want to get a little western and go faster than head to tail walk. I've been training horses for 35 plus years. We call our program Simplified Horsemanship. We really try to break it down where our horses aren't stressed out physically or mentally. To eliminate the reactive side, we want to do exercises to stimulate the thinking side of the brain and let go of the reactive side. That's my passion, is working with people and horses. We use their language to gain their trust and respect. We like to think of our horses as partners, not a master-slave relationship. So we make sure they're very comfortable and obedient on the ground before we just are in a hurry to jump on them. We have a really great 3 to 4 hour ride up here in the East Canyon called the Amphitheater. We follow the canyon clear to the top, and there's several springs in that canyon. It's just a really beautiful ride. And at the top, it just walls up all the way around you, and there's a natural spring up there. And that's really my favorite ride for the summer because it's cooler up there where the water is. And we've just got a lot of great reviews and feedback with our program and the scenery we have to ride in. It's kind of the backside of Zion Park where you get similar views as the park, but you get away from all the crowds of people. And what's really fun is when our guests say, "You just made the highlight of our trip."